For British literature for vocabulary this term, we're going to be using a website called vocabtest.com. And this short video will show you how to access the website and how to use it. So the first thing to do is go to the website itself. It's at www.vocabtest.com. And excuse me, one thing that I want to tell you is that this website is a commercial website and it is located outside of Blackboard. So if you see advertisements on the website, please ignore those. It's not things that we endorse. But vocabtest.com is a free website and I think that it has some good review. It focuses on words that are commonly used on the SAT and ACT tests, which many of you will probably be taking soon. So this is a good review for all of us. When you get to the web page, you'll notice that there are several different tests or practices to choose from. We are going to focus just on the vocabulary workshop book level, and that's found over here on the left hand side. And you'll notice there's several levels here to choose from. We're just going to go ahead and start right away on level A. And then within level A, you notice that there's 15 units. If you're in week 2 of British literature, you'll be starting with this first unit, unit 1. So go ahead and click on the yellow bar. You'll see the words that are being studied over on the left hand side here. And then you have a number of choices on how you'd like to review those words. I invite you to explore these and play around with them, especially if you're serious about learning new vocabulary. But as far as requirements for the assignment, we're going to focus just on the learning definitions on this top blue bar. So go ahead and click on that. And then this is pretty straightforward. It will give you the word and then it'll give you a choice of definitions, and you're to pick the one that you think is closest to the word. So let's try a couple to practice. The first word is apparel. Does it mean to annoy or irritate? Does it mean to surround with military forces? Does it mean clothing, especially outer garments? Or does it mean very large or great in size? Or does it mean to give up something, to abandon or desert? So I've heard about apparel being sold in stores. So my guess is that it's clothing. So then you go down here and you click on the corresponding letter. And if you get it correct, it'll tell you right in green and it'll shoot you right into the next definition. So the next word is expressly, and you want to do the same thing. You want to read through all the definitions and then choose the one that you think that is the closest to. So I'm going to show you what happens when you make an incorrect choice. So let's say we guess D. You see that it tells you wrong and it crosses out that definition. So it does give you another chance to try again. So let's try A, and then you see I have it right there. And then it has you go on to the next word from here. So what you will do, you notice that it's 20 down here. It keeps track of your score, how many you've completed. And I'm going to finish up this test, and then I will show you what to do as far as reporting your score next. Once you've completed the test, you'll get a result sheet that looks like this. And you notice that it highlights in red the ones that you might have had trouble with, at least the first time around. So on mine, I got 17 out of 20 on the first try, and I scored higher than 85% of all students for this test, which you're not going to be graded on that. When I get the submission from you, you will just get the total points because you gave the vocab unit a try. As far as how many you answered on the first try, I just want you to keep practicing. So this is just for your own benefit to continue working with words. Once you have this result, then you can click on print this page. And then what I want you to do is to print this to PDF. And you'll see that you'll get this little pop-up button there. And when you click on this, then you choose the printer. You're going to choose the one that says Adobe PDF or something similar to that. On my Mac, the PDF is down here, so I want to save this as a PDF. And then I'm going to give it an appropriate title. and then save it. And then that PDF file that I just made is what I will attach to the assignment submission form that you'll see in the weekly packets. And that's how we're going to be using vocabtest.com. It's something new this term, so we'll see how it works out, but I hope you enjoy it.